down here, rjpower.com, RJ Power Seagoville. Just want to come to you with another episode of our how-to or self-help video, so to speak. Today's subject is going to be on trailer maintenance. Very vital for the longevity of your money spent, but not only your money spent, but not costing yourself money. Kind of touching back on yesterday's video. So we're going to touch some of the main points on trailer maintenance that's going to help you with your work and also the longevity of your trailer and money spent. We'll start at the tongue and we'll end at the tail. Always a great idea. You never want metal rubbing on metal, so it's always a great idea to lubricate your ball. You do not want metal on metal contact. It will wear down the coupler, it will wear down the ball as well. You want to go ahead and make sure that your plug, it is always a great idea to put dielectric grease on here. It's going to keep corrosion off of your plugs. It is a 12-bolt system, so it is far more susceptible to corrosion than most others. You also, again, we have grease zerks. Grease zerks are there for a reason. We want to lubricate the gears inside of our jack system. So we always want to hit the top gear and the bottom of the gear to make sure that this will not wear our shoulder out any more than it's got to. We'll move around the side to suspension and tires and axles. So on this right here, we know that we have grease in our hubs. So always, these are easy lube axles, so they have a grease zerk here on the end. It is simply this easy to pull the plug, put your grease gun on there, give her 3 or 4 pumps, no more than that. You do not want to put too much grease in here to where you blow the rear seal out. That will happen if you put too much grease. As well, when you go to put this back, it is vital that you put this in here securely where it will not come out. The last thing you want is brake dust or rocks or sand or anything kicking up off the road that you may find getting inside here in these bearings. The worst thing you could possibly have happen. As well, you want to always make sure that you are properly tired and pressured. You want to make sure that you follow the specs on your tire sidewall, whatever it shows for it to do, whether it's 60 pounds, 35 pounds, 115, whatever tire rating it may be, you want to make sure that it's within that parameter. As well, touching back on the subject of yesterday, the DOT marks, we want to make sure that our tread is above the DOT marks on the bottom of the tread. As well, there is a grease zerk here in the middle of the equalizer. This piece right here is very vital to the function of your suspension. This bracket is constantly moving when you're in motion. It is vital that you do not forget about greasing this. This right here is imperative. Again, you do not want metal on metal rubbing. That is a problem. As well, you always want to get up inside when you're doing your trailer maintenance and check your slipper bolts on the front and rear hangers. You want to make sure that they are still good. You do not want a wore out bolt in there. That right there would cause a complete axle to come out from under the trailer. So again, this is vital as well to your trailer maintenance. We will get up one time, and the last thing that we're going to cover is your deck. Now, there's lots of schools of thought out there as far as what to do. You can do Thompson water sealer, you can spray it with diesel, you can put old motor oil on your deck. These things right here will give you a longer longevity of your deck. They will keep the bugs and the rot away from it. You can put any kind of water sealer, deck stain, anything of that nature will help prolong the life of the deck. They will rot, they will give out. It's just nature of the beast. So I do recommend either water sealing it or putting diesel on it, spraying it with diesel, or old motor oil. All three are great options. along the deck of the trailer. If y'all have any questions, comments, please give us a shout. Ask us on Facebook, link up with our social media. We're here to help you out in these times. Remember, rjpower.com. We got your power up.